Hey everybody, welcome to Module 1. Here we go, kicking things off. So our module opens today, and the last day of the module is Sunday, September 15th, and that's when you have your Foursquare assignment will be due by midnight. So between now and then, you have 2 weeks of work that needs to be completed. So you'll notice in Module 1, which is somewhere over here, right? I'm using my weird pointer correctly. Okay. When you open it up, you'll see an overview. You want to make sure that you absolutely read, watch, listen, whatever, to everything that I've posted. Otherwise, it will come back to haunt you, especially when you're going to take a quiz or trying to apply, a certain skill set to an assignment. Watch everything, read everything more than once, okay? So you'll see that you have an overview and that each module has 2 folders within it. There's first week and second week. So with the beginning of each module, you want to accomplish everything, obviously, in the first week before you launch into the second week. And this whole course is designed so that everything that comes previously before something else is going to lend itself to that next thing. So if you skip over everything in Module 1, you're going to have a really hard time being successful in Module 2. So in this first week, we are going over the elements and principles of design. If you've taken design at McDaniel before, you might have already learned about these concepts. And you're also being introduced to some digital imaging basics, so basic terminology that we use in this sector of art making and design. There are readings attached as PDFs. There are videos. Again, everything that I recommend, every link is not a recommendation, it's a requirement. So watch everything, click on everything. Use that study guide, which is uploaded into the first week section as a sort of general outline for what we're going to be covering. You have a quiz that's due at the end of the first week, due September 8th, and that is going to cover everything within that first week. It could come from the presentations, videos, readings. I've mined all of those things to come up with the questions. So you want to make sure that you are clicking through everything that's there. In the second week of the module, when we meet in class again on the 9th, you will be giving a presentation that sort of sums up that digital warm-up week of your Amazing 5. So we will launch right into those in class. I will check to make sure that you have a flash drive and also keycard access to our classroom. So you want to make sure that you accomplish that. The second week of this module 2 is mostly tutorials that will help you learn how to begin to draw in Illustrator. And then that first assignment is called Foursquare, and that's due on Sunday the 15th. And that assignment will apply both conceptual and technical knowledge that you will acquire during the weeks of this module. Okay. So as always, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. Come see me during my office hours. This is my office here. I'm all by myself right now. Send me an email. Stay in touch. Learning journals, that starts this week. You want to make sure that you're posting once a week. Set a reminder for yourself, and that's due by by the Sunday at the end of each week. Okay, so post in your learning journal, follow those prompts that I've given you, and we'll go from there. I'm looking forward to seeing you all on the 9th. Bye.